We have something truly exciting for you, a step-by-step guide to a powerful crypto trading strategy. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a winning formula. Let's dive right in. First of all, this strategy has made me 140% profit trading just Bitcoin and Ethereum. It contains 3 mechanical steps, which you can implement them very easily. Step 1. Identify the higher time frame fair value gap. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Patience is key. We wait for the price to tap that higher time frame fair value gap. It's like waiting for the perfect moment to strike, ensuring we're aligning ourselves with the market's natural flow. After that price tapped a higher time frame fair value gap, we're going to go to lower time frame and target this high as the draw on liquidity. Step 3. It's time to execute. We delve into the lower time frame, keeping a close eye on 2 things: market structure shift and the lower time frame fair value gap. This is how it will look like, but not exactly the same because price is not that clean sometime. But we're going to try to wait and take the cleanest setup we find. And this is the market structure shift we're looking for, coming with nice fair value gap. After that, price should start making higher high and higher low. Now we mark the FVG and put a limit buy order. This is going to be our entry. Here at this low, we should put our stop, so if the trade goes wrong, we target minimum of 2-to-1 risk reward. And boom, easy steps. Any person can follow this rules to make it through the market. Make sure to capture this picture and put it in your note. It will help you a lot. Now, let's put theory into practice. I'll walk you through a real-life example, breaking down each step so you can see how this strategy plays out in the dynamic world of crypto trading. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Alright, let's get started. First things first, I've set my sights on the daily chart as my higher time frame and the 15-minute chart as my lower time frame. Quick note, this strategy works wonders across various time frames like 4 hours and 5 minutes, but in crypto, we're keeping it above 15 minutes. Now let's kick things off with Step 1. Step 1. Identify the recent fair value gap in the price action. Think of it as our treasure map, locating potential opportunities by studying the higher time frame. Keep those eyes peeled for any gaps between the current price and what we believe is the fair value. Exciting, right? Step 2. We patiently wait for the fair value gap to get tapped by the price. Here we go. Nice wick tap, that's a good indicator. Alright, the moment we've been waiting for. Step 3. Head over to the 15-minute chart. This is where the action unfolds. We wait for the market structure shift, a shift in the winds indicating a potential change in the trend. Combine that with a sweet fair value gap on the lower time frame, and it's showtime. First, this is our market structure shift. Once we spot our golden opportunity, we take our entry at the lower time frame fair value gap. Set that stop loss below the recent low and aim for the stars with our take profit at the first buy-side liquidity. So this will be our draw on liquidity and take profit, because most short trader will be putting their stop at that level. And here we go. Our entry got tapped. Now we sit down and watch. No need to get scared or greedy. Just let the price do its job. This could be our second entry if we miss the first one. Make sure you still got that minimum 2-to-1 risk reward and don't risk more than 1% per trade. And boom, the take profit got hit. This is a good example of this strategy, so let's give another one by Ethereum. Like always, we start by the higher time frame, aka the daily chart. Then we mark our last fair value gap. Quick note. If our candle closed below the 50% fair value gap box, we don't go to the next step and expect the price to trade lower into the next fair value gap. Now, we wait until the box gets tapped. Good now, let's go to the 15 minutes chart to find the model we talked about. Sometime price action will look like this. We avoid it until we find clean setup. Here we go. First market structure shift, but with no fair value gap, so we will wait for the first one to appear to take our trade. Here is our entry appear, so we don't hesitate to take the trade. For the stop loss, you can put it here, but I don't want my trade to have a tiny stop loss, so I will make it below this low for more safety. And now I will take 50% of my trade at this level and the rest when prices reach my final buy-side liquidity. You can use this technique in your trading strategy because taking partial can eliminate a lot of losing trades. And here we go. We sit and watch the price do its job. There you have it, crypto warriors. The fair value gap trading strategy. A powerful tool to add to your trading arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. And of course, comment below with your thoughts and questions. Stay tuned for more valuable insights, and until next time, happy trading!